How to make Science Explainer videos without animation skills. Making Science Explainer videos used to require a team of animators, designers and editors. But today, AI-powered platforms like InVideo allow anyone to create stunning, educational science content without needing any animation skills. Whether you're explaining the structure of an atom, the laws of motion, or how photosynthesis works, InVideo gives you access to dynamic visuals, animated text, voiceovers, and customizable templates, all powered by AI. You can input your script or even copy-paste text from a document, and the platform will intelligently match visuals and transitions that complement the content. InVideo also offers an array of science-themed templates, making it easy to create a cohesive and professional-looking video. Just choose your topic, add your points, and let InVideo do the rest. You can enhance the viewer's understanding with auto-synced subtitles, voiceovers and natural AI voices, and relevant stock footage or icons. These features are perfect for students, teachers, or content creators who want to explain complex scientific topics in a simple, visual way. You can also save time by repurposing existing lessons into short videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. If you're teaching a curriculum or building an educational platform, InVideo lets you create a full series of videos that maintain a consistent format and tone. It's also ideal for revision and interactive learning. To start creating Science Explainer videos today, without hiring an animator or spending hours editing, just follow the link in the description and try InVideo AI for free. You'll be surprised by how easy and powerful it is.